Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, this is my next video with this old stereo amplifier Yamaha A962. Why next video? Because I sold this stereo amplifier about 1 week ago, and the customer came back that with info. At first he sent me email that one channel doesn't work. That so no problem. He came here with this amplifier, let it here and take any other amplifier. So I think customer is satisfied. So I decided to put here this amp, open the top cover, and now I've connected the signal from CD player into the AUX input, speakers, my professional Dynacords, and let's see what happens if I connect it into the electricity and with the signal. Yes, it's next time for the next sale, but in this case I sell it as amplifier, stereo amplifier for spare parts only or service required. But let's see what happens. Electricity, volume, power. Light is on. Signal from CD player goes. AUX input, AUX. Let's try it. Totally quiet, no disturbing sound. We'll see. Left channel, right channel, stereo, loudness, subsonic filter, high filter, muting, direct. The switch direct is damaged. The light is on, it works, but doesn't hold in the pressed position, in the position on. Disc, light is on. So evaluate the sound by yourself, but never mind. I believe the customer, there is some technical problem with this amplifier. Left channel, right channel, stereo. So, if you are interested, this amplifier is for sale, service required or for spare parts, and you will find it later on my website Angelicaaudio CZ on the page amplifiers. And if you like our videos, my videos, our cockatiel is not here, she doesn't want to come here now. So if you like my or our videos, you can also join our channel. So have a nice day.